Today, we're taking a closer look at the Raxiom Axial Series LED third brake light with a clear lens for the 1999 to 2004 Mustang, but excluding the 03 and 04 Cobras. Now, if you're looking to modernize your Mustang's rear lighting with a slick, highly visible upgrade, this is going to be a great option. This third brake light provides a clean, contemporary look while improving safety with its bright LED illumination. This third brake light features high-powered LED technology, ensuring brighter and more efficient illumination when you compare it to that stock light. LEDs are known for their instant responsiveness when it comes to turning on, which is going to enhance visibility, making it easier for drivers behind you to react when you hit those brakes. This clear lens with the black housing gives your Mustang a slick, subtle appearance that blends well with any exterior color. It's going to be a perfect match for those who want a modern, custom look without going over the top. Plus, with this weather seal construction, it's going to ensure durability against rain, dirt, and that road debris. Built with premium grade ABS plastic and high quality LEDs, this third brake light is designed for long-lasting performance and durability. The UV resistant clear lens prevents yellowing or fading over time like stock lights tend to do, while that black housing is going to offer a stealthy, factory-like appearance and fit. With DOT and SAE compliance, you can count on this light to meet safety and visibility standards while adding aggressive style to the back end of your Mustang. Now, as far as pricing goes on this third brake light, it's going to come in right around that $60 price range, which is a pretty affordable price point for upgraded LED lighting options. Installation on this is going to be nice and straightforward, so we're going to rate this a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 15 minutes of your time. It's going to be a direct plug and play replacement, meaning no splicing or custom wiring is going to be needed. Simply remove your factory third brake light, connect the wiring harness, and secure this new unit into place using the existing mounting points. Now let's head on out to the shop and we're going to walk you through exactly how that install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket.
What's up, guys? Today we're installing a third brake light on our Mustang, so let's get started. So to remove your factory third brake light, we've got a connector here, and then we've got 2 10mm nuts. So we'll start with our connector, press in on that black tab, and pull it apart. And then just grab a 10mm socket and extension, and remove your 2 nuts. And then we'll lower our trunk down and pull it out from the front. And now grab your third brake light, pull it out, and then we're gonna have to twist and remove all of our bulbs. Just twist to the left, and they'll unlock. Now going from left to right, we're gonna pull out the first 4 bulbs, and we're gonna leave the last one. So just wiggle these out. And the one all the way on the right, you're just gonna leave. So now we just need to plug everything in on our new third brake light, slide it into place, and then we'll pop the trunk again and go underneath and connect everything up. So we're gonna start with our trunk light, slide that in, twist to the right to lock it in. And now we have a connector that's gonna go into the bulb socket where our bulbs were. So we're just gonna match up the side with the black wire to the side with the black wire here. We're just gonna do the same thing, working across. Once we get all of them plugged in, we'll put those sockets into place. Just slide it in, twist it to the right to lock it in. Just do that all the way across. And then just line up your studs with these 2 holes. Slide it in. So now from the bottom, just thread on your 2 nuts. Take your 10mm socket to tighten those down. And then we'll come over, reconnect our connector, and then press that into that clip hole on our third brake light. So So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Raxiom Axial Series LED third brake light with clear lens for your 99 to 04 Mustang, excluding 03 to 04 Cobra. Thank you for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.